Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Audi A6 wiper blades. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the ignition off. Then, access your car's MMI system to put the wipers into their service position. This step is crucial as it raises the wiper arms, allowing you to safely work on them without damaging your hood or windshield. Once in service mode, gently lift both wiper arms away from the glass. Now that your wiper arms are in the service position, it's time to remove the old blades. Look for a small retaining clip where the blade connects to the arm. Press this clip, then slide the old wiper blade downwards or outwards to detach it from the arm. Be careful, as the wiper arm is spring-loaded. It's a good idea to place a soft cloth or towel on your windshield to prevent any accidental damage if the arm snaps back. With the old blades removed, you're ready to install the new ones. Take your new wiper blade and align its attachment point with the hook or pin on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade firmly onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Double-check that the blade is fully seated and facing the correct direction. Remember, the driver's side blade is often longer than the passenger's side. Once both new blades are installed, gently lower the wiper arms back onto your windshield. Then, return to your Audi's MMI system to exit the wiper service position, or simply turn the ignition off and on again, which often resets them. Test the wipers to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the windshield effectively without any issues. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other great deals. This simple maintenance task helps maintain clear visibility and safety on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.